Hi guys, my name is Thulz. Welcome to ThulzOnKop. Okay, lol. That was so extra, Jesus. Okay, yeah guys, welcome to my channel. It's called ThulzOnKop, as you guys have carved. It's a natural hair channel, right? It's not really based solely on natural hair, but that's like the main focus because I have natural hair. Yeah, I'm gonna basically, I actually recently just chopped my hair off. I had dreadlocks. Before the dreadlocks I had it was like natural hair, but it wasn't natural hair, it was relaxed natural hair. So yeah, more than anything, this YouTube page is aimed at like showing you guys the transition of my hair. Like my hair is very short, I'm sure you guys can see, like this is, it's stretched. This is like my second month I think with like short hair. So I'm basically like, this is a, it's like a, it's, I don't want to call it a tutorial for, you know, I don't want to really call it a tutorial because it's not like an actual tutorial, but this is basically how I start my day off every day. And this is like natural hair care, you know, like if you want to keep your hair at its utmost prettiest and whatever, this is basically like a step in. So what I'm gonna use, this is like a bottle of water, spray. Like I prefer spraying it because what I found out was that if you moisturize your hair, like let's say you have dry hair, right, and you moisturize it, the moisture, because it's oil, it seals in the dryness instead of moisturizing it, compared to when you water it first and then you moisturize it, then you know, it makes it easier and it makes it absorber friendly, you know. So yeah, what I'm gonna use for this is a bottle of clear water. This is amla oil hair food, so this is moisturizer, right? I got this from Pick and Pay. It was like about 20 bucks, and then this is how it looks inside. It's like regular moisturizer, like hair food. And then amla oil to oil it. I treat my hair with essential oils once almost every week. I don't like oiling my hair like a lot, because also then I don't want to have like greasy hair, but I want it to stay moisturized. So I moisturize every day before I do this. So what I usually do is I'll show you guys. So basically this is like how I start my day every day. This is actually the coconut oil I use for my hair, because I like using essential oils like I've mentioned. Like amla oil is one of them, coconut oil. This one is from Clicks. It's finished right now, as you can see, but yeah, this is like one from Clicks. It's one of the smaller like molds. And then olive oil is really good for your hair as well. So right now I'm gonna actually start by like watering it a bit so it's like a bit damp, and so that when I undo it, it still has its like natural curl pattern in. So yeah, I'm just gonna, oh, it's a bit cold, this water, but yeah. And then I'm just gonna start by like undoing the plaits one by one. Oh, and actually what helps when you undo your plaits is having like a bit of moisture on your like your fingers, so that like as you're undoing them, it seals, like I said, it seals the pattern of the braid, whether it be twist braids, whether it be what's it, the 3-plait kind of braid. Yeah, it just really helps with keeping it sealed and stuff, you know. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I'm just doing simple undoing of these braids. And yeah, it doesn't take long to undo them. It doesn't take as long to undo them. ThulzOnKop. Oh, I feel like I probably want to do. For those of you who don't know what papa means, okay, tell me if you know what papa means. So papa, there's no such thing as papa. That's like an Englisherized version of it. But papa basically in Zulu, and actually in South Africa, papa, it doesn't matter what language you speak. If someone's basically saying someone is like the extra, and like you're just going out of your way, you know, to just be extra. So yeah, guys, anyway, I'm done unwrapping my hair, as you guys can see. And what I do is just briefly spray it so it has like a bit of moisture, because like right now it's very dry. And then I take a bit of oil. Like if you have hair, I feel like having essential oils for your scalp and basing it now and then is like a very like important thing to do. And then after that, I'm gonna take some of this amla oil hair food that I showed you guys, just, you know, briefly as well. Like I'm not going in deep. Why I plait my hair, braided or whatever you want to call it, every night is that in the morning when I'm starting my day, I don't have tangles, I don't have knots, I don't have to comb it. I'm personally not a fan of combing my hair because I just feel like it's unnecessary tension on my roots. And yeah, I just generally don't like combing. So yeah guys, that's like my quick how to, you know, not have knotty tangled hair every morning. Let's do this guys. I'm very excited to, you know, grow with you guys. I'm very excited to document, like I said, the journey of my fro. Thank you very much for tuning into my channel. As you can see, I'm finally done undoing those braids or plaits or whatever. And yeah, this is how my fro looks. My crown, it's still very short. This is like the most it stretches up to. As you guys can see, it's not much, but yeah, I'm working on it and I'm trying to have a very beautiful big healthy crown. So yeah guys, stay tuned for like hair tips and like let's just go on this journey together and we'll grow together and we'll see what we come across upon this journey as time goes. Guys, thank you very much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to the page please guys, and yeah, just show the girl some love. And yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. Until next time.